Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today it's the day that the blue-white star raised in Hargeisa 63 years ago in the then British Somaliland territory. The British waved down their British flag and replaced it with the flag you see in front of me, this one, and you see behind of me, this big one. The state of Somaliland is born on 26 June 1960. But on 18 May 1991, Somaliland declared their own independent republic with the green, white, red with the green shahada and the black star you see in front of here. I understand that many Somalilanders say that it is their day of independence, but it's also our day that this blue flag raised in Hargeisa 63 years ago. Thank you.